So, good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back again. We're going to talk about the Declan Rice shirt. For anybody who doesn't know, you're going to get to know. But before we get into all of that and unveiling the shirts, happy Friday, guys. We're on the Suaves. Hope you're having a blessed Friday. Now, listen, don't forget, go and check out the show I did with LB. It's LB. Go and check that out. Man City fan. Very good stream with him. Don't forget, obviously, match day. You know what we're at on match day, people. Live watch along, fan cams, player ratings, etc., etc. So make sure you check that out tomorrow as well. Obviously, we've got Newcastle away. That is not going to be an easy game. And make sure you are smashing the subscribe button, smashing the likes up, leave your comments and super chats down below. But anybody who does know, you know. Anybody who doesn't, I'm going to fill you in. Pause. So, we were linked to Declan Rice. Rice, baby, and all of that jazz. How cringe. But anyway, I sat here loud and proud with my pigeon chest and my big foghorn mouth and said, there's no way we're signing Declan Rice. He's going to go Chelsea or Man United or Man City. And if he signs for Arsenal, if he signs for the Arsenal, then I will buy the Declan Rice shirt. Lo and behold, 100 million plus 5 later, Declan Rice is now an Arsenal player. Number 41 is actually, in my opinion, probably been Arsenal's best player this season as well, most consistent performer this season. We haven't had a lot of great performances this season. I don't think we've been fantastic this season. However, we have got the results. We have got the points on the board. We are top of the Champions League group. We are obviously second in the league as it stands. Embarrassment in the League Cup. We will not go back on that. I've been fuming ever since we got knocked out of that cup competition. But I'm in the minority because most of this fan base don't want to win. So obviously somebody that does want to win is now seen as negative and toxic. But I digress. Anyway, we have the shirt. We have the shirt. This has come from the official club store, the Armory, at the Emirates Stadium. As you can see, we have the full Adidas originals and the barcode and all of that lot. Obviously, I have tried this on, hence why I cut it off. But it is what it is. But anyway, we do, however, have the shirt. Because by hook or by crook, we do end up paying our bets. For anybody who doesn't also know, I did predict, I don't know whether I was drunk at the time, but I did predict that last season Chelsea would finish above Arsenal. That obviously didn't happen. And big up Kyle, because he was the recipient of 200 English pounds of my money deposited into his bank account. And if you are watching this, Kyle, I'm sure you can confirm in the chat that I did pay the bet. But anyway, again, I've lost a bet. I've got to stop doing this. I do have another bet, by the way, that if Arsenal win the league, I have to donate £2,000 to Great Ormond Street Hospital. If they don't, big up Mr. Tie Box, then he does. So listen, hopefully I'm the guy donating because it'd be nice for me to see my football club win a league title before I die. And I'm getting on. I'm 41 now. So yeah, please, Arsenal, actually do what's required to win the title this season, please, because I am bored of seeing us not win anything. But anyway, let's have a little look at the shirt. As you can see, Rice 41. Beautiful. Very nice shirt. Very nice. Very nice shirt. Very nice shirt. However, and this is authentic. There's no BS. It's not off a moody site. This has genuinely come from the club shop at the Emirates Stadium, the Armory, underneath or just at the bottom on the Hornsey Road, right opposite the Little Wonder Cafe. Genuinely come from there. However, I do have a confession to make. It's confession time with Gunner. Confession time with Gunner. I never paid for the shirt. I never paid for the shirt, people. I never paid for the shirt. And you're thinking, wow, you're all about to go in on me saying, oh, you said you would never buy any clobber from the club shop until we win something. You're a disgrace. You're a disgrace. Well, I never actually spent a penny on it. And I'll tell you why. Big up my boy Jay. Yeah, he's currently over here now. As I record this video, it is currently 5:45 on a Friday, the 3rd of November. And we will be going for dinner with my bird and his father. Big up John, season ticket holder at the Asna. Has been going to the Asna for the best part of 50 odd years. Again, he's not an happy Asna fan, like a lot of us older lot, but we get put in the bin. Oh, you're so negative. No, a lot of the older lot actually don't like the way this club is going. But it is what it is. That's a different stream. You can go and check out some of the others because I've gone waffling about it on others. But anyway, big up to John, because John actually brought me the shirt. And the reason John brought me the shirt, number one, he's a nice fella. He's my pal's dad. Big up, John. But number two, because I've picked him up from the airport a few times in the last 6 months, 2-3 times, whatever it may be, dropped him off here and there. As gratitude, big up to John. He said, yeah, I see you lost a bet. I watch your videos. Blah, but he may even be watching this. Big up to you, John. Yeah, shout out to John. Big up Jay, big up Liz. Come on. But John decided that, do you know what? I'm going to buy the shirt for you. As gratitude, thank you for picking us up, etc., etc. So now I know what you lot are going to do in this comment section. Yeah. Oh, so you cheated the bet. No, I didn't cheat the bet. It was a gift. So why would I now go and buy another Declan Rice shirt when I already have one? I listen, the bet has been paid indirectly, but the bet is paid. And we have the Declan Rice shirt. I may even wear it tomorrow for the Newcastle game. So yes, maybe we could do that. And everyone will be going meltdown. Oh, if they haven't watched this video this evening, how are you wearing the merch? You're a turncoat. Yeah, you're a flip-flop gunner. Well, it is what it is. But listen, it is what it is. Yeah, big up to everybody who's tuned in. I appreciate you all. Big up to Jay. Love you to pieces always, my bro. Yeah, big up to John. Love you too. Big up to Liz. Yeah, thank you very much. I appreciate the shirt. Thank you. Yeah, you lot were getting on to me. Where's the Rice shirt? Where's the Rice shirt? Well, there's the Rice shirt. Hey, big up John, though, because he did get 10% discount being a season ticket holder. Well done, Asna. They gave him a whole 10% in the club's shop for being a season ticket holder. But let's say it came in a nice little bag. They even kept it until after the game the other day. He bought it before kickoff, went and retrieved it. They put it under the counter, and he went and got it after the game. So big up the members, the staff members in the Armory. Big up to them, and yeah, big up to John, and thank you very much. The bet has been paid. You lot might still cry about it because that's what some of you lot do. The real ones in this chat will know, yeah, that I was never going to spend any money on the club unless I really had to. But John came through clutch, right at the death, 93rd minute, bosh, goal. So yeah, big up to John, man. Appreciate you, man. Thank you for the shirt. It's actually a very nice shirt. I can't lie. So yeah, we'll be wearing that tomorrow against Newcastle. Thank you very much and good night. Leave your comments down below. Don't cry too much. And listen, it's what it is, by hook or by crook. Subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments and supers down below. Make sure you are liking this video as well. I want to see likes. I want 1,000 likes on this video. 1K likes on this video. And go and check out the stream I did with LB as well. Check out Lee Reacts. I'm back on here tomorrow. Adios, amigos. Ciao. Adios.